Is it possible to eliminate all program errors, flaws?
No, you cannot. You cannot eliminate all programming flaws, but you can minimize the outcome of that negative flaw.
So it is not possible even for the big companies like eBay and Google and this one. They still have some problems. Even the programmers they don't know about it. So there is a security team. They are always testing it and checking and reporting. So their work is just to report is there any flaws or problems in it. So like one of my student, he was in Pakistan and now he's working in Riyadh as a in STC, and his work is just to report the error or flaws in the STC system. He is just sitting and he is a one tool, the Dell tool. Okay, the Dell has provided some tool over there, and if there is any switch is down or if any network is down and any site is down, his work is just to run a query, check it, which site is down, and then report to the engineers. So his duty is not to fix anything, just to find the flaws on it. So you can find a job just for finding the flaws. Okay, so it means that this is also one of the most important thing. And nowadays finding the flaws is not like a hard job. You don't need to you just need to learn some tools or training in the some tools and then run it. You run the query and then you will know that where is the flaw over there. So programs apply all the level of individual programming and program. We should consider both list should do and shouldn't do. How would you test shouldn't do list over there? It is almost impossible to ensure that program does precisely what is the designer and user intended and nothing more, especially for large systems. So the same thing which we discussed now. So programming and software engineering techniques change and evolve. Evolve means like get better, faster than do computer security techniques over there. We often find ourselves trying to secure last year technology while software developers are rapidly adopting today's and next year technology. So software engineering, it is evolving so fast that that security is like they need to follow it abruptly. So security is in catch up mode over there.